Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. 1 second. You can turn off the video. That's not required. You can turn the video off. That's not required. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's start now. So I think today it is our first lecture, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I think we can start directly with our topic of pronunciation. I think rest all other discussions we've already done. And if you have any other thing, we can discuss again after the class. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Actually, we wanted to know your pattern. So you said you will take first grammar.
See, if we talk about A1 till B1, let me write it down here. Okay, I'll give you a breakup in the terms of number of lectures. Total na for 1 second, not able to type. Yeah, for A1 to B1, total we have 75 sessions, right? 75 you can say sessions or you can say 75 lectures like this. Out of this, our target is that to finish the grammar by 45th lecture. 95% grammar of B1 by 45th lecture. Okay, so that last one third, last 25 to 30 sessions we keep totally on the exam preparation, right? Last one third section you have to keep only for the B1 exam preparation. You can directly write down the B1 exam after that. In case if you want to write A1 A2 in between, you can do that also, right? But my suggestion is that to save the money and to save the time, you can, with proper preparation, you should write down the B1 exam directly after this. Okay, that is the pattern, that is the breakup in this. So all the grammar we'll be taking. When I say grammar means that all the grammar from A1 till B1. It is not just that only A1 grammar or A2 grammar, not like that. We'll take it together. In a language, what happens, how the grammar is differentiation is different from each level. What they do, they take each topic partially in each level. Example, you have a topic of countings like numbers like 1 2 3 4. So what they will do, they will take like numbers like 1 to 20 or 1 till 100 in A1 and then remaining in A2 and then billion trillion in B1, like that. Okay, we will not follow that pattern. That is just one example I gave you in one topic. We will not follow that pattern. What we'll do, whatever topic we take, we'll do it complete in detailed depth till B1. Okay, so that you are not required to do it again. Let's say again today you are doing counting, then again after 2 months you are doing. We will not waste, we will not duplicate the efforts like that.
Okay.
Okay, in that way we'll be going. That is the pattern. And exam covers 4 modules. Okay, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Right? Lesen, Schreiben, Hören, and expression. 4 modules are there. All the 4 modules will be covering. Our pattern is exactly as per the Gyothe exam curriculum. So after the class, after the course, you can write down the Gyothe B1 exam, or you can write down the TELC B1, or you can write down the VHS B1. Anyone, whichever you find, you can write down. All are same. Content is same in all.
And do they have the same validity? It's like
See, I will suggest you, if you ask me the certificate which is having the maximum value, not validity, you have to go for, see, when you are spending this much amount of money and this much amount of time, right, with proper preparation, my suggestion is that you should go for the Gyothe exam. Okay, only in some circumstances, like let's say a person is not able to get the Gyothe exam slot, or it is not there in your city, or whatever be the reason, like you need to show some A1 A2 certificate, or you need to show some B1 certificate, or it can be one of the case that the person is not able to put that much effort. Gyothe level is like slightly 1 or 2% higher as compared to others. Okay, if you can see, like 1 or 2% slight difference is there. Gyothe is like the maximum level which you can expect in B1 B2 as per the standard of B1 B2. So Gyothe is something which I would suggest you that you go for Gyothe, and that is having the maximum value, everywhere maximum value for your career, especially I am saying in your interview and all, in your PR and all, you can show any certificate, VHS, TELC, everything is valid. But I am saying directly in terms of jobs and all, Gyothe is like, it's when you show Gyothe B1, when you show VHS B1, obviously 5-10% slight difference already is there. The person who is seeing that, he knows that Gyothe is something little bit having more value. That is my perception, and I have observed like that only. So that's why I am suggesting that go for Gyothe. Okay.
And Raman, one more question. This is Preeti.
Yeah. Hi. Hello, ma'am. Yeah, tell me.
Hi. So, after this grammar portion and reading, writing, speaking, how we are going to prepare for exam? Like how we are going to practice?
These last 25 sessions are dedicated on these 4 modules only, right? Initially, for 1 till 45, we will not have these 4 modules. We will have complete grammar, vocabulary, everything. So, language will be on your tongue by the end of 45th lecture. If you do as per the way I tell, if you do the homeworks and all, and after 45th or after 50th, we will be starting these 4 modules. So, when I say reading, writing, listening, speaking, I am talking about exam only. So, in the exam, every day we will be having some or the other mock paper. Someday you will be solving the reading paper, someday you will be solving the listening module, someday you will be solving the writing module, someday you will be solving that reading module, like that. Okay? Yeah. All that is covered in that. No need to buy down any book and all, nothing. You just need to do our homework, nothing else.
Okay.
Fine. So these 1 to 45 lectures I will be taking, and the last exam preparation my wife will be taking, right? So we have divided that thing like that. So whether you do A1 or whether you do C1, all the grammar I will be taking, and then the exam preparation she's taking. She's like, you can understand 1,000 times better than me in terms of exam preparation. So that's why that difference is there.
Okay. And say if I want to give in between A1 or A2, in that scenario, how we are going to prepare
if you see, that is why we are discussing this thing prior. If we fix our requirement early, it will be easy for me to manage the curriculum.
Yeah. So we want to give A1 and then we will give B1.
You can do like that. You can do like that. But see, as I told you, my wife will be on leave from November end till February. So whatever exam you want to give, my suggestion is that you write it down in March only then. Okay, before that,
day you told us that A1 we can target by November.
Sir, A1 see, if you want to target A1 by November, then you need to finish 25 lectures. If you can do that, that's not a problem. If you can do that within 2 months, if you can do that, okay. If you want to give in November, but make it like last of November, not more than that.
Okay. If you can cover the classes, then
I can cover. It's in my hand only. It's in my hand. I can cover by mid of November also, right? All that is in my hand. I can go fast. If you can handle, we can do that.
Well, we can also understand. Just from your side, you can cover the entire lecture.
For that, you have to follow this ratio I gave you. After 1 hour, you have to do 3 hours of homework. Okay. So like this, you have to manage. Just see whether you are able to devote 3 hours or not. So if I talk about 25 sessions, 25 into 3, 75, right? So 100 hours of study is required within 2 months for each person. So now you can see within 60 days, can you devote 100 hours? If you can devote, definitely we can do it. Okay? Right? So that means on average you have to study 1.5 hour daily, inclusive of the lecture timing. So I think that is very much possible. Okay, if you can do that, it's easily possible. If you can utilize the weekends, it's easily possible. But I don't want to bind you. I don't want to force you. That's why I'm giving you that, on this basis you have to decide. You are asking me that whether we are able to do or not. On that basis you have to decide. If you can give me 100 hours in coming 2 months, inclusive of the class time, then it is easily possible. Okay.
I think in we can do that. Like in 2 months, if every day including your classes.
Including my classes.
Including your classes, and we give 1.5 hours every day.
Easily, sir. Easily. If you not even 1.5, if you give 1 hour also, then also easily possible. Every day if you study 1 hour, easily possible. Okay. A1 is very easy, right? You just need to finish it quickly. That's the only thing. Okay. You can make a target, you can go like that, right? You can book the exam date then. Just don't book right now. Give me 3-4 lectures of time so that I can also see how much effort you are able to put, and then you book it.
Right now we are in Frankfurt, so over here getting exam slot is not as difficult how it is in India.
No, it's very easy in Germany. It's not that much difficult. You can book it. Okay, you can book it out. Then just you should book it out by let's say 10th or 12th of October. Book it by then, right? Because if that is the case, then you go ahead with that. There is no sense in waiting, because if you wait more than November, then it will become March directly. So my suggestion is that you write down the A1 exam, and then we can continue the studies, and then you can target B1 directly by March end or April mid and finish it completely with exam properly. Both the certificate you can target of Gyothe only, Gyothe A1 and Gyothe B1, both of you together. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. Then go ahead with that only, right? I think November is realistically possible, so you can make it like that. But then don't delay the classes more. Start it as early as possible.
We can give the exam somewhere in first week of December or mid of December.
That you can give. See, from our end, we'll finish the course. Okay. And we will make you go ready for the exam. Then it depends on the slot, whether you're getting 25 November or 30 November or 5 December. That depends on the center, which date is available. Okay, right. But I am saying in terms of preparation, you should be done, right? Exam, it might happen you are getting 15 December as date. Then not a worry, right? We will continue the lectures and parallelly you can keep on revising the things which Shivani gives you, and you can write it down whenever it happens. 10 December, 5 December, whenever it happens. Okay, but we should be prepared. Preparation should be that you are done with the mock papers of A1 exam. You are done with the vocabulary. You are done with the required grammar. That should be done by 25th of November, 25th or 27th of November. We have to target that thing. Okay, so that you are in a safe position, right? And then you can, whatever date you are getting, you can write it out. Okay?
Okay.
Fine?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start now. See, we'll start with one topic of pronunciation. Okay, whenever we start a language, first of all, we have to see that what are the sounds, what are the letters used, what is the script used in that. Okay, so I have sent you one video on WhatsApp. I hope you have watched that. Did you get a chance to watch that?
Not really. When did you send? Recently, I have not sent.
Have I not sent? Occasionally, no, never.
No, you have not sent me.
Okay.
Long back, you have sent me one video of demo, which Preeti, you have watched it, right?
Yeah, I have watched one demo class of yours.
Yeah. Boy, anyone you can watch. All are same in content. So in that, if you remember, I have discussed one ABCD, German ABCD, something like that, right?
Yeah,
exactly. That one only I am saying. So let's start with that. See, first of all, I am playing one video. Okay.
Yeah.
That is the German ABCD video. No need to note down anything. I will share this video, PDF, everything I will share with you right away. Okay. So just enjoy the lecture and try to put everything in your brain as early as possible. Okay. All the PDF and everything you will be getting, but try to store in your mind, right? That is what you have to do. So don't worry for notes and all, everything you will be getting, right?
Sure.
Yeah. I am playing one video. This video is basically the German ABCD list, right? Just like that, you have the English ABCD, English alphabets, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Just like that, we have the German list of ABCD. The script is same, right? The same European letters, same ABCD we are using, but the names are different. In English, you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. In German, we have something called as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like this.
Okay.
So I am playing it. Try to listen to it 2 times, and then we'll compare it with the English ABCD.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, right? So that is the German ABCD, right? Let's compare it. See, in English we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Clear?
Yeah.
In German we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So both of you have to speak after me one by one. Okay, first Shwetang will speak and then you will speak after that. Okay, A, B, C, D, speak.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G.
E, F, G.
Yeah, speak.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
H, I, J, K.
H,
H, I, J, K.
I, J, K.
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, not air. Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z.
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 X, epsilon, Z.
Yeah, the video says x, epsilon, und, z. So und means, und is the word for and.
Okay.
Okay, x, y and z. X, epsilon, und, z.
X, epsilon,
Und
Z.
Yeah, once again I am playing, listen to it twice.
Okay, one question, Raman. So Z is pronounced as Z.
Set, that is the name of letter, not the sound.
Set.
Okay,
Set.
name of letter is set. Just like you say Z in English, they say set in German. Okay?
Oh, Z.
Yeah, listen to it twice.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, clear? Let's
Yeah.
discuss once again. So speak after me, then I'll tell you what is the use of this. A, B, C, D,
A, B, C, D,
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G,
A, F, G,
A, F, K,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
H, I, J, K,
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 J, K, K.
So H is Ha.
Yes,
H,
H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
X, Y, Z.
X, epsilon, Z.
X, epsilon, Z.
That is the German ABCD. Now you have to understand the purpose of this. Why we are learning this ABCD. See, nobody is going to ask you the ABCD in your interview or exam. What they will be doing in the A1 exam, it's a 99% typical question every time they ask. What they do, they will be asking you to repeat the letters of your name, especially the first name. Or it can be complete name sometimes. To repeat the letters of your name in German letters. So if I say R-A-M-A-N, right? R-A-M-A-N is English. I have to speak German letters. R-A-M-A-N.
Okay.
Okay. So if I let's say if I write your name S-H-W-E-T-A-N-K, right? S-H-W-E-T-A-N-K. So try to speak it.
Right.
S, Ha, Q,
No. U, V, W, U, V, W. Way. S,
Way.
Ha,
S,
Way,
Ha,
Way,
Way,
A,
A, T, A,
A,
N, K.
Okay, ma'am, if I write your name,
Yeah.
speak.
It's P-R-I-T-I.
Okay, P-R-I-T-I. Let me change it. 1
Yeah.
second.
मेरा ही नाम इतना लंबा है.
Okay. Yeah, P-R-I-T-I. Speak. Pay.
It's A-N-A.
No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. It is E, not A. Okay.
Okay. P-R-E-T-E.
E-T-E. Okay, you should be, this should be on your tips. Practice it 10-20 times and better practice your complete name. Okay. This is a like typical question in A1. Only in A1 they ask, right? Why they're asking. Just imagine that you are going to a German office and the person is not knowing English and he's asking your name. So what you will do? If you say P-R-I-T-I, he will not understand what you are saying.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to speak in the German letters which he can understand. So H-I-J-K, right? So E-T-E, like this you have to speak.
Okay.
Right, that is the purpose. And in A1 exam, 99% they ask. So most probably this is going to come. So be prepared with that. You should not be speaking any English and all that there. Simple?
Yeah.
Can we try this name pronunciation once again?
Which one?
The name pronunciation.
Yeah, try it. Let me write your name. Try it. S.
S, Ha, V
Hmm.
A
Hmm.
T
Hmm.
A N K A yacht A epsilon.
You just did one mistake. This is not K, this is Ka. K,
Okay.
K. Okay?
Ka.
You said K, I think, right? You said A,
Yeah.
N, and then K. It is Ka. Ha, E, yacht, Ka. H-I-J-K.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Yeah. Speak, ma'am, speak your name.
Yeah, P-A-R-E-T-E.
Okay. So prepare it, right? Prepare it 5-10 times and better prepare your full name. So that's the thing. And practically see, whenever you have any capital letter in front of you, let's say BMW is there, CD is there, any capital letter is there, you will not speak German. So this is not called BMW, it is called BMW.
BMW.
Okay, that is how they speak. And CD, don't say CD, it is Sede. Sede.
Sede.
Right? There's one more company that Volkswagen Group, no? So in short, they call VW. In short. Okay, VW. VW. In India, they don't say VW, but in Germany, you will see many people. In short, they are calling it as VW.
Okay.
So whenever you have any capital letter, you have to use the German list of letters only. That is the purpose of this. Okay, I have sent this video. Later you can download after the class and keep on listening to it. Okay, see, these are just the names of letters. Okay, if I say my name R-A-M-A-N, you don't call me R-A-M-A-N, you call me Raman. Because when you are speaking any word, you are not using the names of letters, you are using the sound. Okay, let's say ki R sound is R, then M sound is Ma, N sound is Na, and you are mixing all together, that makes to Raman, like this. Similarly, if I write one word, let's say G-E-R-M-A-N-Y. So you don't call this word as G-E-R-M-A-N-Y. That is the name of letter. You speak it like Germany. Because you are using the sounds. G sound is J, then R sound is R, M sound is M, something like that. You are mixing everything and then you make it Germany. Correct?
Yeah.
So name of letter is different thing. Sound of letter is different thing. Okay. So far what you have done in that ABCD video, you have seen the names of letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Just like in English you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now you have to see the actual sounds. When you will read any text, you will not read the letters of that word in that text. You will read the complete word. So when you are reading a word, you need to know the sounds which you can mix and speak the complete word together. Okay, so now we will discuss the sounds of these ABCD. Whatever ABCD we have done, we will discuss their sounds. So I am opening some rules, try to understand them. See, German, as you know, it uses the same Roman set of letters from A till Z we have. Okay, the same A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And it has two parts, vowels and consonants, just like in English. So vowels are your A, E, I, O, U and consonants are B, C, D till Z. Okay, one by one we'll see their sounds. First of all, I am drawing one table. Try to understand this. Any word ending in German with B, D or G. Any word ending in German with B, D or G. In the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming. Right? In the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming. In the end of any word, if B, D or G is coming. Respectively, this will have the sound of P, T and K. Okay? See the example, G-I-B. Tell me what is coming in the end.
B.
B. So sound will be P. You will speak geep. Speak geep.
Geep.
Geep, correct. Geep means give. Then K-I-N-D. In the end it is D. Sound will be T. This becomes kint.
Kint.
Kent.
Yes. Okay, speak as loud as possible. Both of you.
Kint.
Yes.
Kent.
Next, T-A-G. G in the end, sound is K. Tak.
Talk.
Tak.
That's why there is a this greeting, Guten Tag. So never call it as Guten Tag from tomorrow. It is Guten Tag.
Okay.
Okay? Right? You will, when you will observe any native German, he will always speak Guten Tag. He will never say Guten Tag.
Okay.
Okay? And see, today we are not discussing the meanings, right? Geep means give, Kind means child, Tag means day. If you want to read the meanings, you can do that after the class. For coming 1.5 lecture, we will not discuss the meanings. Leave them. Right?
Okay.
Our target is that within 2 lectures, today and next class, After 2 lectures, if you have any text in front of you, you should be able to read it loud with confidence, properly, correctly. Okay, so initial 1-2 lectures will focus totally on the pronunciation, because the problem with these people is that you know, their pronunciation is not as easy as you have in English. In English, the thing is, what you write, the same you speak. In German, it is totally different. You write something else, you speak something else. You write TAG, you speak TAG.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why these tricks which I will be giving you, they will make the things very easy for you. It's just like that, you have to practice it once for 30-40 minutes and you will find that you will never forget them. Okay? So Geep, Kint and Tak, any word ending with B, T and G, the respectively sound will be Pat and Ka. Geep, Kint and Tak. Okay?
Yeah.
Now let's move ahead. First vowel which we have is A. A is having 2 sounds. A is having 2 sounds. First sound is A. Like you can see the name Shwetang. The A sound coming here. Okay?
Yeah.
And the second sound is Ajay wala A. Second sound is A.
Oh.
Got it? There are 2 sounds. A and A. There are 2 sounds. A and A. How you will identify where to use A and where to use A? For that, there is a trick. What is the trick? In the word, wherever you are having A, after that you will count the consonants. Okay, listen to me. What are consonants? B, C, D till Z. These are the consonants. So in a word, you will count the consonants. Count the consonants after A. We go left to right in English. So after A, whatever number of consonants you are getting, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, you have to do the counting. So first tell me, in the first example, A and T, how many consonants?
2.
2. Okay, hold on. Then F-R-A-G-E-N. After A, directly, how many?
3.
No. You can see E is there, no? I am asking directly. Only 1.
Okay. 1.
Direct consonants we have to count. Okay, immediate neighbor.
Okay.
Okay, immediate neighbor only G. After that E is there, I will stop the counting here.
Okay.
Only 1. Then T-R-A-G-E-N. After A, how many?
1.
Correct. Now the rule is A is having 2 sounds, A and A. A and A, 2 sounds are there. So just make a shortcut. There are 2 brothers. Okay, elder brother is A and younger brother is A. So first position, count 1, A will come. Count 1, A. More than 1, A.
Okay.
Count 1, the elder sound will come. Count 1, the elder sound A will come. Count more than 1, the younger sound A will come.
Okay.
Okay, so here count 2, alt. Speak alt.
Alt.
Second, fragen.
Dragon.
Then tragen. Speak.
Dragon.
Getting now? Little bit.
Yes.
Alt. The first one is alt.
Alt. Yeah, see, leave this second column. This is just the way to write the sound. Okay, many times I have seen people calling me ult. So it's not like that. Okay, this is just the way to write the sound, because after the class you will have only the PDF with you to revise. So this second column can give you little bit hint. I have elongated the sound and written it in my own words. So you can leave that. Just focus on the column 1 only. Okay. Alt, fragen and tragen.
Alt, fragen and tragen.
Fragen, not fragen. Fragen. Okay.
Fragen. So what is the difference? Alt, fragen,
You can see the difference. Alt having the A sound, fragen having the A, fragen. Okay, that's the difference.
Alt, fragen, tragen.
Okay.
Fragen.
Yeah, there are 2 sounds, no? A and A. So you can see first word is having the A sound, A like Aman, and second word is having the A sound like Shwetang, like car, fragen and tragen. Okay, got the difference between the sounds?
Yeah.
Tell me if you have any doubt. No?
No.
Next is E. E is not having any counting. There is no counting. There is no counting in E. Just 1 sound.
E.
A, not E. A sound. A. A sound like the word payment. Like the word pay, say, or you can say day, or May. There is 1 month. January, February, March, April, May. So May having the A sound. That is the sound of German E. Okay? Speak the first example.
SN.
SN.
Correct. Second?
Eagle.
No. After A, how many?
1.
1. Egal. Okay?
Egal.
Egal. Got it? So our examples are arranged in that way that we have to retain the above rules. Egal. Okay.
Egal.
Next is I. I is having two sounds. You have to do the counting again. First is the elder sound E, and second is the younger sound short E. E.
E.
Okay. First is the elongated E,
E.
and second is short E. E like kick, football kick. And the first one is long E, like sheep, deep, tree, knee. That is the E sound. Okay, and the same story. You have to do the counting. Count one, long E, more than one, short E. Okay. I double ST. What is the count?
I double ST.
3. Short E. Ist. Speak.
Ist.
Ist. Then WIDER. Count.
1.
1. Long E. Weeder.
Weeder.
Speak. Weeder.
Weeder.
Normally. Weeder. Then BILD. Count.
2.
2. Short E. And D in the end. BDGPTK. Built.
Built.
Okay. Remember D in the end. T.
Yeah.
This becomes built.
Built.
So count 1. Long E. Count 1 plus short E. Now see the example here. GIB. After I how many?
1.
Long E. Geep.
Keep.
Give.
Second example. After I how many?
2.
I have written the count there in red color. Okay. Short E. Kint.
Kint.
And TAG. After A how many? 1. Tak.
Tak.
So Geep, Kint, Tak. Alt. Fragen. Tragen. SN egal. And then Ist. Wieder and built. Simple. Any doubt? AEI?
No.
No? Okay. See, we'll do enough practice. We'll practice more than 1,000 words with these rules. So, don't worry that how you will be able to retain all of them. You will do enough practice. It's like not even 15 minutes you have studied. So, take your time. There is no hurry. Okay. Once I take 2 more letters, then I'll give you 5 minutes to revise this completely. Okay.
Okay.
AEI. Next is O. O is having 2 sounds. Again, you have to do the counting. One sound is O for Korea or O for Oman. O sound. Okay. O for Korea. O for Oman. O for Kolkata. O sound. Right? And second sound is O for awesome. O for awesome. That is the second sound. Clear? The same story. Count 1. O for Korea and count 1 plus O for awesome. See the first example. ODER. After O how many?
1.
Speak.
1.
Order.
Order.
Then SOLL. After O how many?
2.
2. Now listen one thing that we'll discuss in consonant. Single S is Z, double S is S sound. Okay. Single S is Z. This becomes Zoll. Speak. Zoll.
All.
Zoll.
Ich soll Deutsch lernen. I should learn German. So this is Zoll. Zoll means should. Then second example. After O how many? After A how many?
1.
1. So O and A. Speak.
Monad.
Monad.
Correct. Next. After O how many?
2.
Speak.
Corp.
Corp. B in the end is per. Okay.
Corp.
B in the end is per. This is something like in India you have corporation. That corp. Something like that. Meaning is different but the sound is same. Corp.
Corp.
Order, Zoll, Monad and Corp. A-E-I-O. Last is U.
Monad. Corp.
And Corp. Last is U. U is having the U sound. There is no counting. So counting was there in A. It was there in I. It was there in O. There was no counting in E and there is no counting in U. U is normal U sound. Neither too short nor too long. Normal U. Speak the first example.
Tun.
Tune.
Louder.
Tune.
Tone. Okay. Next.
Motor.
Motor. Okay. This R in the end is little bit kind of silent. That we'll discuss in R. Motor. Then
Motor.
see the next example. SCHUH. Once you have done the letters from A till Z, after that we have one topic called combinations. In combinations, what they have done, they have basically fixed some sequence of letters. So out of that, SCH is one such word. SCH is one such combination. Okay. SCH sound is sh. 1 second. It's taking time. SCH sound is sh. You might have heard of the company Bosch.
Bosch.
Okay, or Schindler, Schneider, Schneidler, all are German companies. So SCH is sh sound always. Okay, SCH is sh and H in the end is silent. That we will discuss in the consonants today. H in the end is silent, so this becomes shoe.
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 Right? So let's revise once again, then I'll send you the PDF, you can just revise it once for 5 minutes. First of all, I gave you one table, BDG, PTK. Speak these examples, both of you.
Geep. Kind. Tak.
Geep. Kind. Tak.
Next, A is having two sounds, A and A. After A, one consonant, the elder sound A, otherwise A. Example?
Alt.
Alt. Little A you can put there, okay? Don't make it pure alt. Little bit, 20% A you can put. Alt. Fragen. Fragen, not fragen. Fragen.
Fragen. I'm a bit confused over here. So you said if there is one consonant, so it will be spelled as A.
The sound will be A. Sound, not spelling. Sound will be A. Okay? Sound, not spelling. Spelling will not change. You are saying spelled, not spelled. It will sound like A.
Okay.
So alt, fragen and tragen. Spelling will not change. Only sound I am saying. We are discussing the sounds.
Alt. Fragen. Tragen.
Ma'am, speak.
Alt, fragen, tragen.
Correct. E is having the A sound always. Example.
Essen. Egal.
Next. I is having two sounds, long E and short E.
So long will be with directly before consonant?
Yeah, after I, if it is one consonant, that's long E, otherwise short E.
If one consonant, then
long E, otherwise short E. Okay?
E.
Ist.
Videre.
Built. Ist, wieder and built. Okay?
Ist, wieder and built.
O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, then O. Otherwise, O for awesome. Speak the example.
Order.
Soul.
Monad. Chord.
Oder. Zol.
Zol.
Monad. Chord.
Next is U. U is having the U sound. Example.
Tun. Mutter. Shoe.
Tun. Mutter. Shoe.
Okay, good. Now let me send you this PDF first. Okay.
Yeah.
Download the file. I'll send on Skype chat. Come to Skype chat. Download the file. Got the file?
Just a moment. Yeah, it's getting downloaded.
Okay.
There is one more up.
The video you can download later.
This one.
Download the PDF first.
Okay.
Yeah, downloaded.
Okay. So go through the file AEIOU. Go through it once for 5 minutes, both of you. Right? Then we'll discuss it again and then we'll start with the consonants after this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. बी का पी हो जाएगा, डी का टी, जी का के। और अगर उसके बाद केवल सिंगल कॉन्सोनेंट है तो हम कार वाला आ करेंगे, और डबल है तो अमन वाला, अमन छोटा सा अ। तो इसमें जो है पहला, और इसी को बोला टी, इसी को बोला। तो इसमें जैसे हो गया ऑल्ट, ये दो है तो छोटा वाला हो ऑल्ट। फ्रेगन में जी के बाद जी कॉन्सोनेंट है, फिर वो वाला आ जाता है, तो फ्रेगन,
फ्रागन, आ
फ्रागन,
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 और मुंह खोलो, आ
फ्रागन,
फ्रागन, फ्रागन।
ये ई है ना, उसके बाद तो ए हो जाएगा ना फिर तो।
नहीं, ए के बाद एक ही कॉन्सोनेंट है, जी, इमीडिएट
यहाँ
कॉन्सोनेंट।
पे फिर ई है ना, इसको मिला के बोलोगी ना, ए होगा ना, वो फ्रागेन होगा ना, फ्रागेन,
फ्रागन,
फ्रागेन, फ्रागेन, अल्ट, ये अल्ट,
अल्ट,
तुम्हारा बात करो,
अल्ट, फ्रागन,
फ्रागेन। ये जो है, ये ई का हमेशा ए ही होता है, जैसे पे से, तो एसन, एसन एगाल,
इगाल,
सिंगल है एगाल।
नहीं, सिंगल में आ, आफ्टर ए इज एल तो आ होगा,
एगाल, एगाल, सिंगल में आ। फिर आई में आते हैं तो इसमें उल्टा हो जाता है क्या, इसलिए में
सेम है।
अच्छा, तो जहाँ पे सिंगल होता है उसमें लंबा खींचना है, ई, और जब छोटा
डबल कॉन्सोनेंट में
ई। तो यहाँ पे जैसे यहाँ पे ईस्ट में डबल ट्रिपल कॉन्सोनेंट है, तो ईस्ट, ये विडेर में बड़ा है तो विडेर, विडेर। फिर बिल्ट में दो है, बिल्ट। ओ में भी सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है, ओ ओ ओ ओ। तो जहाँ छोटा, जहाँ सिंगल है वहां पे लंबा चलेगा ओ, और जहाँ पे डबल है वहाँ पे छोटा सा ओ।
नहीं, लंबा छोटा है अपने यहाँ पे ओ ओ, तो इट्स लाइक
ओ,
टू साउंड्स,
ओ
ओ
ओ ओ ओ। ऑर्डर, ओडेर पहला वाला हो जाएगा क्योंकि एक ही है, तो ऑर्डर
नहीं, ऑर्डर,
ओडेर,
इट्स ऑर्डर।
ए होगा ना, ई है बाद में, तुम बाद वाला भूल जा रही हो। ई को पे, जैसे पे है।
Raman, you there?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, how we pronounce this odor?
Odor after O, one consonant, O sound, odor.
It's odor, right?
What is the doubt?
How it will be pronounced? It will be odor, right? Odor.
See, E sound I have given you A, but now you don't have to sing a song like that. Okay, odor ऐसा नहीं बोलना. Simple, speak normally. Automatically, if you observe, you will see the A sound coming. Listen to me. Odor, odor, der. Already A sound coming. So we will not make it odor. Don't put it separately, right? That is just a way for me to write so that you have an idea. But we don't have to stretch it too much. Ki it looks different. Speak odor.
Odor.
Yes, correct. Odor, already A sound coming. No, odor, der. Observe your sound. Odor, already A sound coming in that.
ऑर्डर, फिर उसके बाद
Zol.
ज़ोल,
Not.
मोनाट, कॉर्प।
It's normal like O. O.
फिर वही बी, जब इनिशियली तो बी के साथ साउंड होगा, एंड में आएगा तो पी बन जाता है। ये बेलन का कुछ अलग है।
From this you're going to take it, right? Consonants?
Yes, now I will take. Once you revise till you, then we'll take.
Yeah, we have done the revision for vowel.
Okay. Then let's start from the top. Okay, both of you have to speak the examples. Only the examples written here. You can start. Geep, kint from here.
Geep, int, tak.
Geep, kin, tak.
Next.
Alt, fragen, tragen.
Okay.
Alt, fragen, tragen.
Isn't, egal.
Essen, egal.
It will be
Yeah.
Ist, wieder, built.
Ist, wieder, built. Next.
O.
Oder,
Oder, soll, Monat, Korb.
oder, soll, Monat, Korb.
Tun, Mutter, Schuh.
Tun, Mutter, Schuh.
Okay, good. Next is B. First constant is B. Okay. So B in the end is per from the table BDGPTK. B in the end is per and beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Beginning or middle is normal B for Bombay. Speak the example.
Belen,
Yeah.
Oben,
Hmm.
Korb,
Hmm.
Keep.
Belen, Oben, Korb, Geep.
Correct. Next. C. C is having just the k sound. C is having just the k sound. Okay, right? It's just the k sound. So speak the example. Camping. Right? It's an English word. They have taken from English directly, so you can speak it like camping.
Okay.
Camping.
Yeah, they have taken from English, so you can speak like that. Then D. D in the end is t. B, D, G, P, T, K. D
Yeah.
in the end is t, and beginning or middle is D for dog. So
Okay.
speak the examples.
Dum,
Dum,
then it will be
Now see one more thing.
be there.
I
Yeah.
told you about combinations. So first one combination we have taken so far. SCH we have taken is ch. I am taking some more combinations, right? After SCH, the next one which we have is EI. Okay. EI is having the I sound. IE is having the E sound. Okay, 1 second. IE is having the E sound. AU is having the OW sound. SCH is having sh sound. EI is I. IE is E. AU is OW. 2-3 combinations I am taking today. Remaining will take tomorrow. Okay. So if
So
you
it's
see
same
here,
like English, right?
Sorry, what?
This EI and IE is same like English.
Something might be. I have not observed that. It can be. No, it's not same. Like in English, you have the A sound for E.
So like EI become 8.
But that is A sound. No? I am saying I. A is different. I is different. Okay.
I.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So better
I.
don't compare them with English. Otherwise, you will get more confused. EI, just learn it that it is I and IE is E. Okay. So if you see here, BEIDE. This is bider. E in the end is a. One more rule. E in the end is a. So speak the example. Bider.
Bider,
And next one is IE. Weeder. Speak. Weeder.
Weeder.
One weeder. If you see, we have done in I. This one.
Yeah.
WIDER. This is different spelling. You can see different spelling, different meaning. That means against. And this weeder which you have done just now, that means again. This is different. And spelling is different. Okay. Sound. Both of them have same sound. Weeder.
WEIDER.
Yeah. Spelling is different. Sound is same. Okay. Speak next. BAD.
Bad.
Bart.
Bart. D in the end is t. Bart.
Bart.
Next.
And this one will become hunt.
Hunt.
Okay.
Hunt.
D in the end is t. That becomes hunt.
Hunt.
Yeah, hunt.
Next is F. F is for football. Speak the example.
Football.
Football.
Yeah, F for football. Sound is for. Speak this example. This one. F-A-U-L.
Foul.
A-U is ow. Okay. A-U is ow. That becomes foul.
Foul.
And next.
Shaft.
Correct.
Shaft.
Okay. SCH is sir. After it is one consonant. So that becomes shaft.
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 Okay. Got it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next is G. G in the end is ka. BDG, BTK. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. Speak the example.
Gegen.
Gegen.
Gegen. Tag. Look.
Gegen.
Tag.
Tag.
Look.
Klug. Okay. Next is H. You will find consonants are very easy. Okay. Like fixed sounds. H in the beginning is her, first position. Whenever H is coming in the first position of the word, then it will have the her sound. Middle or end it is silent. Middle or end it is silent. So speak the example.
Halt.
Halt. Gain. Shen. Zen. Sorry. Zen.
Halt, gain
Halt.
and zen.
Gain. Shen.
Zen. Halt, gain and zen.
Zen.
Okay. Give the proper space to the word. Zen. Don't say zen. Okay. Make it fully. Zen. Speak.
Zen.
Yeah.
Gain.
Correct.
Okay. So
Halt.
over here, H becomes Y or what?
H not becomes Y, right? That is just the sound. I said na H in the beginning, middle is silent. So that is gain. So just to write that sound, I have written like that. Okay, this is just the sound. So that's why I'm saying don't confuse it. It should not happen that you are changing the spelling to Y. There's no change in the spelling. This is just a way to understand the sound, that you have to speak like this, gain, like this.
Gain.
Okay, that is just the sound. Actual word is this only, left hand side.
Gain. Sen.
Correct. Next is J. J is having the ya sound. Ya for yellow. Ya for yellow. Speak the example.
Junge.
Junge.
Next K, L, M, N, P. Ka, la, ma, na, pa. Same sound. Okay. Ka, la, ma, na, pa. Same sound. That is the sound of K, L, M, N, P. Speak.
Class.
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 Chicken.
Chicken. Keller.
Keller. Will.
Will. What is it?
Atman.
Atman. Yeah, correct.
Atman. Schwim.
Renner.
Rennen.
Brown.
Brown.
And then
Leaper.
Lipper.
Lipa. Okay, got it.
Lipper.
Yeah.
So this completes our letters till P. So once you people revise them till P properly, revise the A, E, I, O, U and revise this till P also. Then we'll finish till Z today. Okay? Take 5 minutes of time, revise them. Yeah.
B is normal. B. B. If an N word is B, then it's B. D is D and G is K.
So पहला वाला हो गया Billen.
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 Obain.
ओ इसमें छोटा होगा ना.
Obain.
Oben.
Corp.
इसमें ये उबेन होता ना.
Oben.
ओबेन. और ये होगा
Corp.
ओ ये हो जाएगा कॉर्प.
Gib. Gib.
गिप. सी को के की तरफ पढ़ना है.
C is K.
This will become
Camping.
camping.
Camping. C instead of C is K. Sound is K. Pizza. Pizza.
वो क्यों पढ़ रही है तो काट रही है.
D. D is D. If it's in with T, then it's D. D.
Doom.
Doom.
और EI हो जाएगा I.
EI is I.
I. Bide.
Bide.
By day.
Bide.
By day I होगा ना वो I.
Bider. EI is I ना, so bider. Okay.
Bider.
Okay. Bider. Bider.
Bider. Wider.
Wider.
नहीं विडे. ये होगा विडे. EI है ना E. IE is become E.
Okay. Wider.
Wider. और वो होगा by day.
By day.
By day. Wider.
Wider.
This last one will become Bat.
Bat.
And then Hunt.
Hunt.
Hunt. Hunt. Hunt. Hunt.
Hunt.
तो उसमें अपने different क्या हो गया? ये तो हो गया.
No, it's ha. You're opening your mouth more.
Bat.
It's hunt.
Bat. Hunt. Bat. Hunt.
F. Football.
F same football.
Oh.
Foul.
A-U.
Foul. Foul.
Foul.
Cow वाला. How and cow. Foul. And then shaft.
Shaft. S-H-A-F.
Shaft.
Shaft. Sheep.
And होगा तो K बन जाएगा. First become Gegen. And Tak. Kluk.
Vegan. Dark. Cloak.
H अगर बिगनिंग में तो H, मिडिल में एंड में है तो साइलेंट हो जाता है H. तो पहला वाला हो जाएगा. दो आ रहा है तो ये
Halt. A.
अच्छा halt.
Gehen.
Gehen.
Sehen.
Zen.
Halt, Gen and Zen. Like this we have to do.
And Zen.
Sehen.
Correct.
And J is Y.
Y. Yacht.
Junge.
Junge. E is K. Lasso. L is L.
Chicken.
Chicken. Keller.
Keller.
Will.
ये छोटा वाला होगा.
Will.
Will.
Atman. Atman.
आ होगा ना.
हाँ Atman होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
Atman.
इसमें मैं कंफ्यूज कर जाता हूँ.
Swim. Lennon.
ऐसे ये सिंगल डबल है तो छोटा होगा. Atman. Swim. इसमें दो लगा है तो ये अभी छोटा ही होगा. Swim. Rennen. Brown. Lipper.
Rennen,
Yeah.
Brown and Lipper. Okay.
Hmm.
Done till P?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start now from B. Okay. So speak the rules. Any doubt you have in A, E, I, O, U?
Not yet.
No?
I'm a bit confused with that trick. I'll practice, then it will become. If I have
Today
any
you
doubt, then
do
I'll ask
the
you next
revision.
class.
Once you revise it now, you will get it. Okay. Once you revise them today. Okay. Start from this B. Speak the examples.
Belen,
Yeah.
Oben.
Oben,
God.
Yeah.
God,
Geek.
Next.
Camping.
Camping,
Kite.
Camping. Okay. That's camping only. Next D.
Doom.
Doom, Biter,
Biter. Weeder.
Weeder,
Bat.
Bat,
Hunt.
Hunt,
Yeah. Next F.
Foul.
Foul,
Shaft.
Shaft. Foul and shaft. Next is G. G. Speak the example.
Gegen.
Gegen,
Tak.
Tak,
Cloak.
Cloak. Next is H. Speak the example.
Halt.
Halt, Gen,
Zen.
Zen,
Good. Next is J. J is having the ya sound. Speak the example.
Junge.
Junge,
Klasse.
KLMNP. Kala Manapa. Klasa.
Klasse.
Classer,
chicken,
chicken,
keller,
keller,
will,
will,
atman,
atman,
swim,
swim,
rennen,
rennen,
brown,
brown.
And lipper, last one.
and lipper.
Okay. Rennen, brown, and lipper. This completes till P. Let's move ahead now. So Q, let's finish till Z. Q always comes with U. Okay, QU sound is poor. Q always comes with U. QU sound is poor in German. Okay. So speak the example. Quer.
Where,
Quer.
Where?
Next is R. R is gluteral. Gluteral means something coming from inside of the neck. R. Like this.
raw,
R. So speak the example. Riser. This one. Riser.
Riser.
riser,
And brooder. Brooder. In the end, it is like kind of silent. Brooder.
Brooder.
brooder,
Schwester.
swester,
Correct.
Schwester.
Yes.
Okay.
Single
This one
S
is
as you
same like
know.
English, right? R
Brooder.
silent if after. So R is silent always when if it is at end or it's always after vowel.
It is not silent. It is kind of silent. Not silent. Okay. Don't make it pure silent. It's like 70% silent, 30% like voice is there. So brooder and Schwester.
Okay.
brooder, swester.
Correct. Don't make 100% silent. Okay.
One more thing, if we go back to R, so if it's come in the beginning, so you said it will be pronounced as Ra.
Ra. Everywhere it is Ra only.
Ra.
Only in the end, the softness increases in the end. Okay? It becomes more and more softer in the end. Brooder and Schwester.
Okay.
Okay?
Brooder,
And
Schwester.
Schwester. Next is single S. Single S is the, double S is Sir. Example, Zingen
Zingen,
and
schloss,
Slosh.
Schloss.
slosh,
Zingen and Schloss. Next is T. T is T for tomato. Speak the example.
tanken, ratten,
Tanken and Ratten.
ratten,
Ratten.
Okay, T is T for tomato. Tanken and Ratten.
Ratten.
Next is
So the
V.
pronunciation is always same.
Yeah, T is T for tomato. Tanken and Ratten. Next is V.
F.
V is fur sound. V is fur and W is fur.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, V is having the fur sound and W is having the ver sound. So speak the example.
Volkswagen,
Volkswagen. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen,
Yes. Okay. Volkswagen. So Fox means people, wagon means car. That becomes Volkswagen.
Volkswagen,
Yes.
One more thing over if
Yeah.
this L over here we say L is little bit silent, so is it something trick behind that?
No. This is just one word exception, right? L is not silent. This is like just in one word. It is like that.
Okay.
Okay. Volkswagen. And next example. Speak the next example. Feel.
Feel. Feel.
Yeah. Next.
Mhm. Feel.
feel,
Next.
for,
For.
Wasser,
Wasser.
Hmm.
Vegan.
vegan,
Yeah. Vegan. Next. Wo.
wo,
Okay.
So V is fa,
Hmm.
W is va.
Yeah. Feel, for, Wasser, vegan and wo.
Hmm.
Okay. Next is X. X is X only. Speak the example.
Strahlen,
Extralen.
X is Stalin. Okay. X is X only. So that becomes X is Stalin.
X-Strahlen,
Yeah.
X-rays,
Yes. X is Stalin is X-rays.
okay,
Next is Y.
Y.
The image is little bit cut from here. This is Y actually. Y is having the ui sound. Speak the example. Twip.
twip,
Twip.
it's T-Y-P, right?
Yeah. TYP. That means twip.
Twip,
Twip.
Correct. Next is Z. Z is having the sound of ta and sa mix. Okay. Z is having the sound of ta and sa mix. So that example is side and souk. Speak.
Zait, zouk,
Souk, not zouk. Souk.
souk,
Souk.
Correct.
zait,
Unami one.
souk,
Yes.
Souk.
Side and souk. Okay.
Sat and souk.
Yes. Okay, let's start now from X. Speak the example. From Q. From Q, speak the example.
quer,
Quack.
Next, R.
rise,
Riser.
riser, bruder,
Bruder.
Schwester,
Schwester.
Next, S. Single S is the, double S is the.
Yeah.
Zoo,
Zinger.
Zingen,
Schloss.
Zingen, Slosh.
Schloss. Okay. Single S is the like zoo and double S is sir. So example is Zingen and Schloss. Then T.
Tanken and Ratten.
Tanken. Ratten.
V and W. V is for, W is verb. Example.
Volkswagen,
Wagon, not wagon. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen, Fail, for, Wasser, Wagen,
And wo.
Volkswagen. Feel. For. Was. Vegan. Wo.
Correct. Next is X. Example.
X Strahlen,
Yeah.
X. Strahlen. X-rays.
Type,
Twip. Y. Twip.
Twib, okay, Twib, Site and Sook,
Side.
Site, Sook,
Okay.
Tweet.
Hmm.
Site. Souk.
Correct. Twip, side and souk.
Souk.
Got it now?
yeah.
So this is how we have to do this, right? Just revise them. Okay, I'm sending you this second PDF. You have to revise only till Z after the class. Okay. So because it is having like 5-6 pages, so revise only till Z. Remaining we'll do in the next class. I have sent you this second file also. You will get on the Skype chat. Check it. We'll go get the file.
Yeah, I got the file.
Okay. So your homework is just revise everything from this Z, from A till Z. Okay. And we'll continue further in the next class. Right. Give me 1 second. Let me close this.